go to our 4 hours. Now these are 4 hours. These are 4 hours charts. Okay, so these are 4 hours chart. Now if you look, these are 1 hour change of character, because if you go to 1 hour, this should be our last break of structure. Now this engulfing, this bullish engulfing closed with a body, not a wick. You get? Now there is a supply around this place. This is a supply. Now I'm expecting this market to do this. I'm expecting the market. We are just predicting. We don't know what the market can do. Now with this two thing for me, I'm expecting this market to do like this, like this, like this, then like this, then like this. This is what I'm expecting the market to do now. Okay, this is what I'm expecting the market to do. But you know how the market is now. Maybe my papa get the market. So now this market now, with this now, you have seen our change of character from the 1 hour. Now we're expecting market to, now in these 4 hours, these two things now has formed liquidity. Now this is what I'm expecting price to do, to come down like this, go up. Even if don't be surprised, this market can break structure. You get? We don't know. The market can break structure and decide to go down the more. But for now, this is what I'm interpreting. Now once the market get to this place, now we'll go to our lower time frame, like the 1 hour, 15 minutes, then 5 minutes. Now first we'll go to the 5 minutes to look for a change of shift in the market. Now once we get the shift in the market, now for you that does scalping, now once the market shift in 5 minutes, now we'll now sell from 5 minutes change of character, that will get to 15 minutes change of character. For you that does 5 minutes, that does scalping, you get? We will not do that. Now if you come to the 1 hour, this is our other blog in 4 hours. Now if we come to 1 hour, this is 1 hour. If we come to 1 hour, okay, if we come to 1 hour, now this is the other blog. I'm using the 1 hour other blog. You get? I'm using the 1 hour other blog because if you want, there's not only other blog, there is a sweep. Now if you go to 15 minutes, this week here might be an other blog, but for now this is the closest to a break of structure. This is the first break of structure. This is the second. You can also call this change of character a break of structure. So this is also a break of structure. So I'm expecting this price to take out this liquidity and get to this supply. There's a supply. There is supply here. This place now is supply. I'm expecting the market to react from this supply. Then we'll check from this supply now. We'll not check for 5 minutes a change of character, telling us that the market has shifted, okay, to a sell market, to get to this our other blogger to buy or to break this market going down more. You get? So that is our prediction. But for me, I believe that the market wants to buy more. What it did was just a retracement for our daily time frame. You get? So that is the game. So we are going to wait the market at this point. Now at this point, we wait for a change of character before we enter into the market. But any other thing, if the market decides to change bias, all we need to do is to follow the market. We are not proactive. We are only proactive to forex markets. If market changes this way, we follow it this way. If it changes that way, we follow it that way. You get? So because we are not the owners of forex market, we don't have to what it takes to own forex market. So that is the game. We are waiting for the market to get to this level. Once the market gets to this level, then we'll know what to do. Capish? So let's be watching the chart. Once the market get to this our supply, then we'll see a shift in market. Then we'll buy. But if we don't see a shift, then we'll know that it's a continuation buying. Then we'll do a continuation buying. But if it's a change of character, a reversal, we'll follow. Anyone the market gives to us, we'll know where to enter. But at this point, we can't do anything until we get to this point. Do you get? So that is it.